Hello, good morning once again. This is the Hotspot News. Okay. Once more, I'm again here talking about these old dirty foot kind of boy. This kind of boy I could not see here on a phone screen. He is the major man that stand behind all those incidents that is taking place inside the Mount Kerry and the Mount Pelia district. This guy that I look on the screen right now. He is called Reds, aka Tata, aka Mr. McPherson. Okay? Tata is the main man that is running the gang. He is inside the US right now, over inside Orlando, Florida. He is the major man that is selling all these guns inside the Mall Road and the Blue Oil District. He and his old dirty foot corner boy, but them called Pagal, aka Tavaris Miller. They are the one that is trying to mashing up the community right now with all their guns and all their gangs that they have in the Mall Road and the Blue Oil District right now. See him there? You need to take a good look on him. Old dirty foot corner boy, what them call Reds, aka Tata. Yeah. And him shooter, main shooter in Jamaica, what them call Pagal Dan, aka Mad Dog, aka Tavaris Miller. Yes, see them there. Take a good look on them. Tavaris is now wanted for a shooting that take place here in the Mount Pelier district. Broad daylight clappings that take place yesterday. Pagal do a broad daylight clappings yesterday. Take out a elder by the name of Eva. He is over 38 years old.